Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things entrepreneurship and financial freedom. Here, we dive into the world of business, exploring the fascinating journeys of entrepreneurs and providing you with the tools to succeed. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on side hustles, those extra income streams that can blossom into full-time ventures. We'll be sharing stories of ordinary people who've made extraordinary strides, transforming their passions into profitable businesses. Stay tuned to learn about how ordinary people have turned their side hustles into full-time incomes. Side hustles, these small ventures that start as an extra income stream, can sometimes become a thriving full-time business. If you're wondering what side hustles are, let's unwrap that first. Side hustles are activities or jobs that you do in addition to your main job. They're like a part-time gig or a passion project that helps you earn some extra cash. But the beauty of side hustles is that they're not just about making ends meet. They're about exploring your passions, honing your skills, and creating opportunities for yourself. Now, why are we talking about side hustles? Well, they're more than just a way to supplement your income. Side hustles can offer a sense of financial security, especially in these uncertain times. They can be a safety net, providing a backup source of income if your main job doesn't pan out. But there's more. Side hustles can also be a stepping stone to financial independence, an opportunity to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your income. But here's where it gets really interesting. With the right mindset and the right strategies, these humble side hustles can transform into your main source of income. Yes, you heard that right. That hobby you enjoy, that skill you've been sharpening in your spare time, it could be your ticket to a full-time business. Think about it. You start with something you love, something you're good at. You put in the time, the effort, and the creativity. Little by little, you start earning money. You reinvest, you grow, and before you know it, you're not just earning extra cash. You're building a business. The power of side hustles lies in their potential. They're like seeds that, given the right conditions, can grow into a thriving tree. They can be the launching pad for a new career, a new venture, a new life. And the best part? You're in control. You decide how much time and effort you put in. You decide how big you want to grow. Now let's dive into some real-life examples of successful side hustle transitions. Meet Jane, a craft enthusiast who turned her passion for handmade jewelry into a booming online business. Jane, like many of us, began her entrepreneurial journey with a simple side hustle. She was a lover of all things crafty, with a particular flair for creating unique handmade jewelry. It started as a hobby, something she did in her spare time, but Jane quickly realized that her creations were not just popular among friends and family, they were in demand. So she decided to take the plunge and start selling her pieces online. Jane transformed her living room into a makeshift studio, and her side hustle was born. At first, it was challenging. She had to balance her full-time job, her personal life, and her new venture. But Jane was determined to make it work. She started small, selling her pieces on social media and online marketplaces. She faced competition, of course, but Jane had a secret weapon, her unique style and the personal touch she added to every piece. It wasn't long before her business started to grow. Orders began to flood in, and Jane found herself spending more and more time on her side hustle. But the transition from part-time to full-time wasn't easy. Jane had to learn about marketing, customer service, inventory management, and so much more. She faced hurdles, experienced setbacks, but she persevered. She sought help when she needed it, she learned from her mistakes, and she never stopped believing in her dream. Slowly but surely, Jane's side hustle became her main hustle. Her handmade jewelry business was now a full-time job. Through hard work, determination, and a lot of crafty creativity, Jane turned her passion into a profitable business. Jane's journey is a testament to the power of side hustles. It shows that with the right mindset, a pinch of creativity, and a whole lot of determination, it's possible to turn a hobby into a career. From a hobby to a full-time job, Jane's story is certainly inspiring. So, if you have a passion, a skill, or a hobby, don't underestimate its potential. You could be the next crafty entrepreneur. Now let's talk about Mark, a tech whiz who turned his skills into a successful freelance venture. Mark, a computer science graduate, had always been fascinated by technology. He'd spend hours tinkering with codes, exploring new tech trends, and creating digital solutions to everyday problems. However, as he dived into the traditional 9-to-5 job, he found himself stifled, unable to express his creativity fully. Unsatisfied, Mark began using his talent in his free time, turning his passion into a side hustle. He started offering freelance tech services, from website development to software troubleshooting. But the road wasn't easy. Juggling a full-time job and a side hustle was a challenge, and there were days when Mark questioned his decision. But he held on, driven by his love for technology, and the satisfaction he derived from helping others solve their tech issues. He spent late nights honing his skills, learning new programming languages, and staying abreast of the latest tech developments. Slowly but surely, his clientele grew, and his reputation as a reliable tech expert began to spread. Mark's turning point came when he landed a major project, developing a mobile application for a local business. The success of the project not only boosted his confidence, but also gave him the financial cushion he needed to consider taking his side hustle full-time. The transition wasn't immediate. Mark had to plan meticulously, ensuring he had a steady stream of projects and a financial safety net before he could leave his day job. But with determination and careful planning, he made the leap and turned his side hustle into a full-time freelancing job. Today, Mark is a successful freelance tech consultant, helping businesses and individuals navigate the digital world. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance, the importance of staying current in a fast-paced industry, and the potential of turning a passion into a profession. Mark's journey shows us the potential of tech skills in today's digital age. These stories are not just inspiring, but also full of lessons for budding entrepreneurs. Let's quickly revisit the key points we've discussed in this video. We started by understanding the power of side hustles. We learned that side hustles can serve as a safety net, a creative outlet, or a stepping stone to a full-time career. They give us the freedom to explore new fields, acquire new skills, and even discover new passions. We then delved into the journeys of two distinct entrepreneurs. First, we met the crafty entrepreneur, who turned her passion for handmade crafts into a thriving online business. She taught us that success doesn't necessarily come overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard graft. But most importantly, she showed us that passion, combined with a strategic approach, can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Next, we explored the world of the tech whiz. His story is a testament to the power of technology and the opportunities it presents. He started with a simple idea for an app and transformed it into a full-time income. His journey taught us the importance of staying ahead of the curve, constantly learning, and embracing the digital world. The common strategies used by both our case studies boil down to three key elements: passion, perseverance, and strategic decision-making. Passion fuels the drive to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Perseverance is about sticking with your side hustle, even when it seems like you're not making progress. And strategic decision-making ensures that you're not just working hard, but also working smart. But let's not forget, these journeys are not just about financial success. They are about personal growth, about pursuing what you love, and about creating a life that you are truly proud of. Turning a side hustle into a full-time job is no easy feat, but with the right approach, it's certainly achievable. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today and start turning your side hustle into your dream job. As we wrap up, remember, no side hustle is too small. Each venture, no matter how modest it may seem, holds the seed of a thriving full-time income. The power lies in your hands, your creativity, and your relentless drive. We've seen the crafty entrepreneur who turned their passion for handmade crafts into a booming online store. We've admired the tech whiz who leveraged their skills to create a profitable app. The road may be winding and steep, but the view from the top is worth every step. Your side hustle could be the next big thing. It could be the adventure that propels you into a world of financial freedom, a world where you call the shots, where you are the master of your destiny. It's important to remember that every entrepreneurial journey starts with a single step, a leap of faith, a daring decision. Your side hustle could be that first step. Here at House Lux Estate, we believe in the power of entrepreneurship, the potential of side hustles, and the spirit of innovation. We're here to guide you, inspire you, and share stories that kindle your entrepreneurial fire. Our mission is to help you turn your side hustle into your main hustle, to help you build the life you dream of. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights and inspirational stories. Until next time, keep hustling.